powers and trig functions. So here cos x is multiplied with cos x. We can simplify this to cos x in brackets squared. Now because we have a positive integer power, there is a shorthand notation that we can use, which is this: cos squared x. So we put the square right after the cos, and then the angle comes afterwards, and we have no use of brackets. We cannot enter cos squared 30 exactly as it looks here on a calculator. Now this is the same as cos 30 times cos 30, which gives 3/4 on the calculator. There is an alternative way, a shorter way on the calculator, and it's to put the square outside the brackets. So we do cos, and the bracket automatically opens, put the angle in there, make sure you close brackets first and then put your power on the outside. And this is not the same as this. You'll notice that the power is outside the bracket here, so this and this are the same, but the power is inside the bracket here. So using the laws of BIDMAS, the 30 is squared first, so you do the angle squared, you get 900, and then the calculator is effectively working out the cosine of 900 degrees, and you get a completely different answer. So if you see this written somewhere, enter it in the calculator like this, not this. Example 2, we have a quadratic trig equation. We need to get rid of the coefficient in front of the cosine term. So if we divide by 4, we get this. We have an even power, so when we take roots on each side of the equation, we will get plus or minus a half on the right hand side, like this. So we have to solve cos x equals minus a half separately from cos x equals plus a half. So to solve this equation, the cosine ratio is a half, and we can see that there will be two solutions. So cos inverse of a half, 60 degrees, change the sign, minus 60. Minus 60 plus 360 gives 300. So this solution and this are both within range. Cos x equals minus a half, so the cosine ratio this time, minus a half, is here, and we can see that there are two solutions in that interval. Cos inverse of minus a half gives 120 degrees, change the sign, add 360, we have this solution and this solution, which are both valid. And we should list all of our valid solutions at the end.